Want to turn dark mode on or off in Firefox? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable it in just a few clicks. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Language and Appearance section. Choose from the following options: Automatic, matches your Windows theme, light or dark. Light mode sets Firefox to light mode. Dark mode enables dark mode in Firefox. Simply select the desired option, and the change takes effect immediately. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.